What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Ron Jr. here with Landover Trail Boss Gary Jr. Gary Jr., what's going on for the month of July that everyone should be aware of?
Well, July 1st started we're calling it the Midsummer Poker Run. That started July 1st here just recently.
Okay. And what do people need to know about? Where can they get their cards?
You could get your cards and your just the instruction sheet at a couple different places, which is posted on our Facebook, so I'm not really going to run through that right now. You need to get out there. There's 52 stops between Conover, Land O'Lakes, Phelps, Eagle River, Three Lakes, Alvin, Nelma, and Marinesco.
Wow.
And Waters Meet.
That's
so
awesome.
You need 20 stops to create a poker run card.
Okay. What's the prize for the poker run?
The prize is going to be based on participation this year, unlike last year. So there'll be some prizes, additional prizes at the event. You'll get a meal with your pre-registration. We'd like to see some people pre-registered by July 15th. You can run the poker run if you get the card, and then you could just pay at the event, but it's better to pre-register because then you get the pre-registration gift.
Okay. What can people expect at the event?
Basically, we're going to have a bunch of raffles. You're going to have your poker hands, and you're going to have the food, and just hanging out with other club members maybe that you haven't met, and get to know some people there.
Okay. Yeah, and the event is being held at?
The event is being held this year at the Conover Park Rec Center.
Okay.
That date is August 6th.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Anything else you can think of?
We're trying to get some work done on the trails here. We've had some snags with our drag, so we're trying to work on that and get that taken care of. We worked on it today, so.
Yeah. It looks, everything's going great. So, all right. Well, thanks, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see you out there. Enjoy the poker run.
We'll try to do more videos. We've been busy, so.
Okay.